The overall goal of this experiment is to assess the sensitivity of the participants' brain activity to their partner's processing of image stimuli. Reciprocally, the brain activity of the partner is also assessed while presenting stimuli to the participant.
These methods answer the question of whether brain-to-brain interactions exist and provides a potential basis for the similarity of qualia assumed across individuals, particularly across those close to each other.
Simultaneous EEG recording should detect the emissions of one brain and their impact on the partner's brain in real time, given the precise temporal resolution of EEG.
Though this method provides insights into human consciousness, it can also be applied to other organisms that have a cerebral cortex which can be recorded using EEG.
To begin this protocol, first recruit pairs of close participants such as close friends, siblings, or spouses, ages 18 to 35. Inform interested pairs that they will be separately screened to ensure only close participants are included. Make sure that they meet all other inclusion criteria as specified in the manuscript accompanying this video, such as right-handedness and university-level education, before scheduling their visit to the lab. Upon their arrival, obtain informed consent, and then have each participant separately fill out the electronic friendship eligibility questionnaire without being able to communicate with each other. After this, have the participants also fill out a criteria eligibility questionnaire and the McGill friendship questionnaire.